Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Morning Shift. My dear students, welcome to you again because we are going to start a new class, that is the class 2. Today I am going to take English Literature subject for the students of class 2. My dear students, here we have summarized. This is the class for class 2. And our today's subject is English Literature. Today our topic is from the buzzword book. We will do unit 2. We will read it, that is reading done. Then we will do the word meaning CW. This is lecture number 1 and SW number is also 1. After completing the reading, you will do the word meaning in your copy. And you will submit the SWs on Saturday in our office. Here I have written my name again. I am Rahela Ferdousee and here is my mobile number for you. This is our half yearly session 2022. My dear students, I am again writing here. After completing the class, you will submit me the SW. This is SW number 1. You will write the word meanings from unit 1 in your copies. Okay? Don't forget to mention the date. You will write the date of today's date, that is 19/1/2022. And you will also write the SW number. My dear students, don't forget to write SW number 1 and the date. Okay? And you will make separate copies for English literature and language. Don't write literature in language copy or don't write language in literature copy. Okay, now everyone take your book. Have you taken the book? This is New Success with Buzzword 2, main course book. Okay? Okay, now open the book. Come at page 1. There is the page 1. What can you see? Yes, there is written the title of the story. The title of the story is The Monkey Band. The Monkey Band. Okay, here you can see a group of people who are singing, who are busy with singing, and some people are busy with playing the instrument. So a band means a group of people who play musical instrument, and there will be a singer and the singer sings. Now come. So this is the first page or the main theme of the story, that we will know about a band, and our band is the Monkey Band. Okay, now come page 1. Come page 2. Okay, now we will read page 1 and 2. Everyone keep your book open in front of you because there is colorful pictures for you. But in my board there is no colorful picture. For that I'm sorry. Okay, let's start reading. Here we will know about a little boy, Mowgli, and his friend Baloo and his other friends, the monkeys. All of them make a band for singing and they enjoy it a lot. Okay, let's start reading. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in a jungle. He was walking through the jungle one bright morning, singing a merry song. On the way, he met his friend Baloo the bear. "What a beautiful song," said Baloo. "I wish there was some music for your song, but I cannot play any music for you." Here, from these two passages, we come to know that Mowgli was singing a song and the song was merry song. That means it's a happy song, and Baloo listened the song and he became so pleased and said that it's a very beautiful song. That's why he wished that if there would any music, he could be more happy. But he's sorry that he cannot play any music. Okay, then come here. Suddenly, there was a sound in the branches above them. Baloo and Mowgli looked up. It was the monkeys howling and shrieking. The monkeys always make a lot of noise. So here, suddenly they listened some sounds above them, and it was the howling and shrieking. That means the shouting of the monkeys. We heard you, they chattered. We can't play music for you. But how can you play music? You don't have guitars, drums, or any musical instruments like that, said Baloo. The monkeys said that they listened the conversation between Baloo and Mowgli and they can play music for them. At the time, Baloo asked that how can you play music? There is no guitars, no drums or any musical instruments. The monkeys just laughed. We don't need any of them, they cried. The monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree lying on the ground. They hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Dug-bug, dub-dub-ba-dub-ba, like this sound. Okay, so here we find out that the monkeys sit down on a hollow trunk of an oak tree. Here you can see in this picture, you can see that, and they start to make a sound like dug-bug, dub-dub-ba-dub-ba, like this sound. Okay, some of them brought dried curds with seeds in them and started shaking them like rattles. Chang 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 chang, like this. Okay, that means the music is like a guitar. A few monkeys tied some vines to a few branches and began to play them like guitars. Tong tong, they went tong 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 tong, like this sound they made in these branches. What a wonderful music band you make, exclaimed Mowgli. So Mowgli sang his song and his monkey band played along with him. The sound of the band was so good that Baloo had to dance and sing to boopity-doo-da, like this. Okay, what a lovely time they had. So we can summarize this story like this way, my dear students, that they have played music with the natural instruments. They make an hollow trunk of an oak tree, they played it like a drum, and again they take some dried curds and with some seeds they played it like a guitar and make a music band, and at the time Mowgli sings and Baloo danced. So they have a very beautiful monkey band. Okay, now my dear students, there I have written some word meaning for you. You will pick it up in your copy as a CW and later you will submit it as SW. My dear students, we have to be very careful when we will write the word meanings. When we make any word meanings, at the time we have to start the word meaning with small letter, and at the end there will be no punctuation, there will be no full stop or no question mark. Okay, so let's start reading the word meaning. Merry, happy and full of joy. Merry, happy and full of joy. Shrieking, making a high and loud sound. Making a high and loud sound. Chattered, here the monkeys talked making a loud noise. Here means we are talking about the story, that how is it used. Okay, so chattered, here the monkeys talked making a loud noise. Hollow, a hole or empty space inside something. Hollow, a hole or empty space inside something. Exclaimed, said something loudly to show surprise. Exclaimed, said something loudly to show surprise. Dear students, I have mistaken one thing, that I have written number 3, 4. So you must correct it. There is only 5 word meanings. There is only 5 word meanings. So I am repeating again. Merry, happy and full of joy. Shrieking, making a high and loud sound. Chattered, here the monkeys talked making a loud noise. Hollow, a hole or empty space inside something. Exclaimed, said something loudly to show surprise. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that you have understood very well. Stay well, stay safe, and don't forget to submit the SW. Assalamu alaikum.